Safety for new cars is a big deal, and particularly with new technology like electric vehicles and lithium batteries. So what does happen when an EV crashes? Hi, I'm Roscoe. This is Amazing EV News, and it's EV date 230710.1. And the Mustang Mach-E scored a maximum 5 out of 5 stars in its recent test from ANCAP, and compares very well with other EVs that tested over the last 6 to 12 months, all of them receiving 5 stars. But the question still remains, what does happen when an EV crashes? Have a look at the latest ANCAP results and video of their tests on the Ford Mach-E, and you make your own mind up. ANCAP, the Australasian New Car Assessment Program, or ANCAP Safety, is the testing body. They perform benchmark tests to assess new cars on a number of safety factors, informing car buyers in Australia and New Zealand. Or more simply, they crash cars and conduct performance assessments on safety features and technologies, then publish a 5-star system of relative performance. You can look up and view the results of any new car in Australia and New Zealand at ANCAP's website, www.ancap.com.au. This is Amazing EV News.